Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to design a social media post template using Adobe Illustrator for beauty product promotion. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Once you open your Adobe Illustrator, now create a new file with the size of width 2000 pixels and height 2000 pixels. And also we are going to have two artboards. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a color palette using the rectangle tool. And you will see the hex code on your screen, but you can also use your own color palette. To copy the rectangle, just press the Alt button on your keyboard and then drag the rectangle down. And press the Ctrl D button to repeat the duplicate. So the next step, we're going to draw using curvatory tools. We're going to draw the ornaments or the frames. To create the background color, we can use the rectangle tool. Use the size as the artboard, 2000 pixel and 2000 pixels. And then don't forget to align the rectangle to the artboard. To change the rectangle color, you can use the eyedropper tool and then click to the color palette we already prepared, and then use the shortcut to move the rectangle backward of the frame we already draw. Select them all and then use the shape builder tool to remove the shape outside of the artboard by pressing the Alt button and then drag to the part that we want to cut off. Let's draw another shape using the same tool that we used before, which is the curvatory tool. So instead of using the fill color, this time you're going to remove the fill color and then use the stroke, and then set the stroke size to 5 point or the size as you want. So once we finish the drawing, now we select them all and then we go to the object and then click expand. After that, select the shape in the rectangle background and then using the shape builder tool to remove all the parts outside of the artboard. Once it's done, we come to the next step, which is to make the frame for our product photos. We draw the frame using the rectangle tool. Now use the direct selection tool. Select the two dots upside of the rectangle and then drag it to the center. After that, maybe we can add the text element to our design. We can add the title using the text tool. Back to our photo frame, we're going to do a little touch up. Select the frame and then go to object, select path, offset path. In this case, I'm going to give the value of the offset 25 pixels and then swap from the fill to the stroke. Now let's import our product photo to the Adobe Illustrator, and then we set the position right behind the rectangle layer. Now you select the photo and the frame and then right click and choose make clipping mask to make the photo inside the frame. Okay, now we are ready to go to the next step by adding some other elements such as discount element and also shop now button. In this case, I use circle tools for the discount element and I use rectangle tool for the shop now button. Then I'm going to add another circle shape inside our circle shape by pressing Ctrl F to duplicate the shape. And then I swap the fill color into the stroke color and then change the stroke into a dashed line. And then the next thing is adding some other text element. You can use the text tool to make the text box for the description. Then to spice up our design, we can add another element which is the twinkling star, and we're going to make it using the circle tool. We draw the circle and then go to the effect and then choose distort and transform and then pucker and bloat. Now you slide the value to the left as you want and then click OK. Now go to the object and then click expand appearance. Now you can resize the shape. You can duplicate that and then place it to the place as you want to make your design look more interesting. Well, I think we finished our first design, and on the second artboard you can design according to your creativity or you just follow along the rest of this video.